Hello guys, back again with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the Play Store problem in your device Vivo Y55 and Y55 5G. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the sign in or login in the Play Store, or your Play Store is not working or not downloading the apps, you can fix it by the way as I will show you in this video. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the Play Store problem in your device. Let's watch it.